Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to clean the car AC filter. And why the cleaning of the filter is necessary, because the filter, if it gets choked, it tends to block the AC vents, and as a result you get lesser air, which results in lesser cooling. And now most of the people who don't know about this thing, they tend to visit the local repairing shops and they tend to charge a very heavy amount, telling that the AC gas has been finished, and they tend to refill the AC gas. But that is not the case. The first thing that you need to do is you need to check the AC filter. If it is choked, you need to clean it. So in this video I'll show you how to clean the AC filter by yourself sitting at your home. So keep on watching this video, friends. So friends, right now I'm sitting in a Hyundai Elantra and I'll be showing you how to open up the AC filter of this particular car. So in most of the cars, in almost all the cars, the AC filter is located beneath this glove box. And we need to open up the glove box in order to have access to the AC filter. So I'll be showing you. So we need to push this and this will open up like this. So there are two locks. This is one lock and this is the other. So in other cars, these things will vary. In other cars, some cars might not have locks, some cars might have this kind of things of rubber. We need to push this like this and open up in other cars, but in this car we need to open up these two locks. We need to unlock these things, both of this, to in order to open up the glove box. So rotate this and this is out, and this is out. So the glove box is almost open. So another thing, this is a holder. It holds the glove box, and now the glove box is fully down. Friends, one more thing to notice, that this glove box has come down to this much of a height, so it has given us access to the AC filter, as you can see. But in other cars, the glove box might not come down so low. It might be till here or say till here. So in that case, we can see there are locks here. We need to open up these locks. In other vehicles, not in this car. In this car we have access. So now we'll open up these things. This is a lock. This is the cover for the AC filter. So we'll open this one, and now we'll open this one, and now the cover is out. And this, friends, is the AC filter. So let me show you how dirty the filter is. So friends, as you can see, this is the filter. We can see how dirty the filter is. See. So this, since the filter is choked, that's why we are getting lesser air in the cabin through these vents. We are getting lesser air, and as a result the cooling is getting hampered. So now I'll clean this up and I'll refit it, and then I'll check and I'll tell you. And I'm sure the airflow will definitely improve and the cooling will improve 100%. So friends, I got the AC filter nicely cleaned up. I washed it and also dried it. So now it's time to refit this thing. I'll be showing you how to refit the filter. Friends, also be sure that you see this thing. There will always be an arrow mark to show which side is up and which side is down. So this is showing that this side is down, so we'll be fitting it like this. So this will slot in. This is fully in. So now we'll fit this. Always be sure to be gentle and not rush into things, else things might go bad. Actually we need two hands to fit this thing. I am holding the camera with one hand, so this is a bit difficult, but still I'll manage. So this is in, and so is this. So the cover is fitted, cover is fully tight. Yeah, it's tight. So now we'll fit the glove box. First we'll have to fit this thing. is done. The next, these two locks. So one lock is done. Now for the next. Okay, this is done. So friends, now since everything is well fitted, so let's check out the airflow once more. Okay, you can hear the sound, right? The sound will increase. Yes, let me take you a little closer to the AC vent. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share the videos, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care and bye bye.